Alright, so today on the Fixit Shed we're going to take a look at my Earthwise Chipper. So I've had it for about a year. I've used it quite a bit actually, and I feel like the blades are starting to get dull. It's starting to jam up a little bit more frequently. So there's a couple things that you could do. These blades are reversible, so you can swap them around. You just turn them, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Or you can replace them if you've already turned them once and they are dull on both sides. So the process is pretty much the same either way. So you might be able to get away with sharpening these a couple of times, so I might try that later. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so looking in, this is your blade. You've got two screws that hold it in. They have an Allen wrench. Alright, so the chipper came with two Allen wrenches that with handles on them, and this one does fit in here, but you do get some debris in there, so you might want to take like a little screwdriver and just kind of clean it out so that you can get the tool buried in there as deep as you can. Okay, and now when you put this in, it kind of wants to turn the wheel, so you can use the other one, and there's a slot here, so you can put it in there, and then if you turn it, then that'll kind of prevent the wheel from turning. Alright, let's see if this is going to come loose. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Alright, so that's one. I'm actually, you know what, I'm going to leave this part way in, and I'll explain why in a minute. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take this screwdriver out, and then I'm going to turn this. Okay, you have to leave it in more than that, otherwise it won't clear. Alright, now we're going to turn it. Because with these you can't get in to take this screw out. So you have to go down to this hole down here, right? And then you can get the screw, get the Allen wrench in there. Alright, so let's try and lock this into place. And let's try and get this screw out here. Did that pop out or did that come loose? No, that's just popping out. Drat. That's what you don't want to do. Alright. Yeah, it looks like these are 6mm. Maybe not. There we go. Wow. All right, now I can take this one out. All right. Yeah. So now we just turn it around, right? This was the cutting edge. We're going to turn it around, and now this is the cutting edge. Alright, put that back on. Alright, and then just gonna run this back around down here so that I can get this screw in. All right, tighten this one up. Okay. All right, so now you should be able to close the lid and secure this back down. So some of the screws can be a little bit difficult on those blades. So the one that you saw, the second screw was the harder one, the inside screw. On the other blade that I did, the outside screw was difficult. The inside one went fairly easily. So just be prepared. Don't strip them out. I believe if you order new blades, sometimes they do come with new screws as well. So keep that in mind. Those might be useful because after doing this a couple of times, those the Allen heads might be kind of worn out. So it wouldn't hurt to replace those screws as well. Alright, so if you got something out of this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.